Hi everyone. Today we are doing a continued project that we've been working on. We have some raised beds up by the house, and today we're going to try to finish. We're not putting raised beds down here, but we're extending our garden zone. And what you have seen before now is us clearing and leveling out an extra exterior space close to the vineyard. Joe ran some water and irrigation. We already had a line here because we knew we were going to do this, and we're going to plug into that. So let me turn the camera around and show you what we've got going on today. There's Gardener Joe. So right here is where the irrigation is, and we're going to be running these drip lines all the way down. This is the fabric that we're going to put down, and the drip lines over it. So what I'm gonna do is unroll, you can't see it, but like right here is the drip lines we bought last night. The best thing you can do is unroll it if you plan to use it in a straight line or you wanna manipulate it. Lay it out in the sun, let the sun heat careful Joe. Let the sun heat the tubing so that it'll be malleable, so you can bend it and shift it in the ways that you want. So again, we're going to be subbing in 6 lines here. They're going to go all the way out. This is 52 feet, and we believe we can plant over 200, maybe up to 200 plants, because that's how many emitters we're going to have. And then we will come in and fence it off in case we get pests that will eat our vegetables. So out here we're going to have large things that we can't keep in the raised beds. So this is going to be things like pumpkins, watermelon, zucchini. I have a zucchini up there. We're going to put cabbage down here. Those take up a lot of real estate in your garden, and you can put that in an area that lets them grow over. So let's get started, and you can watch how we'll put this together. All right, let's take a look at this. So what we're seeing here is, this is the junction box that we put out here to protect the, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to open it, I can't, but it is in the previous video. So it's connecting to the main line to our system. And then we've got this run going out at 6. Now you don't have to put these sleeves on. We're doing this so we don't have junction boxes all the way down, but as you can imagine, we are going to finish putting the sealant around there, and then this will slide into place and we will bury it from there, and that'll just add an extra layer of protection. Yeah, we're putting this around there so that it tightens up and doesn't blow off.
We've had them blow off in the garden.
Yeah, we've had them blow off in the garden before.
Should we test it before we bury it, or just bury it and call it?
Well, I think we should probably test it. But it'll drip all the way down the lines, yeah? I think we should test it. All right, so he, on his phone, activated these lines, and do you see the drip? There's a drip right there. And yes. Right there. So, working well. And we're gonna go ahead and leave them looped around at the end right there. So next we're gonna put down the fabric. Well, next we're gonna bury these lines. Okay, so we set up the irrigation, put the drip lines on, bury the drip lines up to the little white PVC piping that we put over them to secure them to the main line. Then we ran the dripping down. Joe's at his limit. And then we're putting water and rocks on it just to hold the tarping down. We get bad wind here, so this will be a good idea for the next couple hours. We gotta go to work for a little bit, and then we're ready to plant.